everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 16th to the 20th of August 2021 on Monday. Just when Vuyiswa and Georgina think they have reached a dead end, a new lead appears on Tuesday. Hector and Tando corner Vuyiswa's witness on Wednesday. Vuyiswa feels so close to cracking the case but is always one step behind. Her frustrations are rising on Thursday. Georgina digs about Vuyiswa's investigation into Hector on Friday. Hector derails Vuyiswa from a big lead in the investigation. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.